So, that's gonna go. These are gonna go. This door's gonna go. Oh. I'm getting wet. I'm getting absolutely soaked.
What's going on? Hello?
I'm not happy.
He saw something on the back of his dog.
Oh my god.
He's actually going to knock my door off.
You've got to get up close to this because he has absolutely physical.
It's because my door's not connected. Oh no.
Hold that door.
I'm not even joking, look at it. Oh no.
Fucking funny.
It's not, I'm soaked.
So good.
I'm actually drenched. Watch out with my windscreen wipers then, it's hard.
Shit.
How am I going to get home without a door?
Fuck knows. It's Simon. Oh, that's so funny. I'm sorry, but that was fucking hilarious.
You did shut my boot, didn't you? Just like my boot doesn't leak because my sud's getting soaked. Oh my god, I'm soaked. I literally don't have a door.
Don't push it.
I'm still holding it, mate. I'm not letting go. Oh my god.
Please do not break. Today will be the day.
Hey, you sure this thing has start after all that walk off
Fuck knows. Here comes the ultimate wax. See?